Let's talk about the slope formula. This is it right here. M equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Usually use the letter M to represent slope because when this was first done, it was done in Latin, and M standed for modulus of change. So the slope, the slope is how a line is changing. So modulus of change, the M equals this. So if you're given two ordered pairs like this, you could call this one x sub 1, that one y sub 1, this one x sub 2, this one y sub 2. These little sub numbers are ways to keep the x and y values for the different ordered pairs separate. So x sub 1 means I'm talking about this x, whereas x sub 2 means I'm talking about that one. So if I just referred to it as x, you wouldn't know which one I was talking about. So in light of that, if we take those and put them into this formula, we get that. So it's 8 minus negative 5 on the top and negative 7 minus 2 on the bottom. And 8 minus negative 5 is 13. Negative 7 minus 2 is negative 9. And then you adjust at the end. So there's a little etiquette rule in mathematics, and it's you never leave a negative in the denominator. So if it ends up being this, you're going to write it like this. So negative 13 over 9. So the negative goes with the top number. Now, if they were both negative, it would end up being just positive. So if it was negative 13 over negative 9, we would say a negative divided by a negative is a positive, and that'd be 13 over 9. But if it's this, you want to write it this way. And so that is equivalent to negative 13 ninths. So that's a negative number. It's a negative decimal number, but a negative number nonetheless. So that is the slope using the slope formula, how to find the slope between 2 points.